get my boy reaction. B16 Turbo, what do you think?
Yes, man.
Alright, we at Chingy's house now. Damn, I put the light the wrong way. I can't really see over here. My boy's the Banshee God over here. I'm like, put it this way here. My boy's garage with the Banshees. About to put this swap. Another NF1 car right here. Showed this car a while ago. I don't know if you guys remember, but we did the brake tuck over there. Get some light. Yeah, we did the brake tuck. That's what I want to do to mine, but I ain't dropping my fucking dashboard. But yeah. About to throw this K in. To go. Chill. Yo, watch it. Who look at fucking grow plants out of that shit? Bro, still more coming out.
You drink the fluid? Yeah. Duh. It's just like thinking out. Gucci.
Boy, you get some seeds, put them in there.
Right here. Yeah, look, it's bending. Wow.
The draw bearing?
Bend it over. That's why that shit was so look. It came out by itself. The spring is bad, everything. Yeah.
Wait, that's from your pedal clutch.
So it'll leak a little bit.
Nigga, you was pressing not the recorder.
Oof.
You gotta scrape all this shit over, right?
Yeah, gotta clean it, reseal it.
You got a blade?
Now, what is it?
No
Which?
way there was thing in here, bro. Dirt, nigga.
Yeah, probably.
That's from. It probably got in through the fucking to where the axles go through. What are you changing again?
Cleaning it
gonna
to
reseal
reseal it because it was leaking. So,
Oh, the actual casing.
yeah, like down here, it loosened up, so I want to reseal it, clean it up, tighten it back up.
blade. You got behind the bond or no?
Yeah, we got.
Move. What happens when you don't seal shit? It leaks. Well, seal it correctly. But
Man, he put it on YouTube too.
nah, I didn't know who the fuck. I did this. I did that shit. I tried it for the first time and it didn't come out right. We gonna mate this with that and put it in there. See my shadow? How you do the dog thing? Right?
Who sealed this shit up?
You can keep asking that question after he just said it was leaking. Oh yeah, the shit was leaking, so I'm taking it apart. Who did it? Yeah, me. Nigga was in a rush. He had it.
This shit don't even look like it has Honda bone.
No, it's because it wasn't tight all the way. So when I got the trans, I
Wow,
forgot to tighten it.
even worse. Yeah, that shit Chingy. He put the trans back together. He said, nigga, hand tying this shit in.
He wrist tightened that shit. He was like, tight, it's tight.
Yeah, Jordan.
No way.
You like Jordan's music?
I told him it was coming.
Yeah, he called me.
You hit the record button?
Yes, I did.
Let me see.
Oh shit.
Oh, yeah, I gotta hold it.
You guys good? Yo, Jordan, you good?
What what you doing?
Yeah, it's crazy because the trans is bigger than the motor.
What you doing?
Longer.
Holding my penis. Look at this nigga's ways. Look at this shit right there.
You know the weights are serious when you see them do the do-rag.
Sheesh.
Shit doesn't even weigh, it's a tsunami.
Look, I'm in 17 with the gun.
Y'all really holding this shit.
Good for a movie cast.
Porno. On OnlyFans.
Yo, that's what NF1 OnlyFans.
NF1 OnlyFans. Jordan gonna be fucking the guy in the video.
Yeah.
Now, that won't make it on YouTube. Thanks, too.
Huh?
That won't make it on YouTube.
I'm putting all that shit on YouTube.
It's a big ass gap. I don't like that.
Gotta keep going.
Too much. Let's go. So y'all gotta slide the motor back into the dolly.
Steven working. Chingy
I
working.
can't even. Watch with my Banshee.
So we have all this space, and y'all want to go against my Banshee. Yo, y'all niggas ain't shit.
Yo,
You got more 17 volts?
got $5 to somebody to find my book. Can you pass me that glove?
Yo.
$5, boy. You just said it. You just said it.
I'm about to see.
Yo, give me a 3H ratchet. That big one over there.
Salud.
You ever see like the pictures from Lincoln Tech? There's a bunch of niggas working on cars, and there's this one dude just doing this. While this nigga's doing that. It's like, what is he working on? What is he doing?
Not a damn thing.
Get in there, look like you're doing something.
We going in?
I got it. I'm holding. Watch what I got it. I'm holding.
Is the back going in?
Hey, yo, this nigga.
Yo, niggas ain't telling Julio nothing. Julio gotta do every. Look at Chingy over there.
I got you. More ain't going nowhere now. I got you. Don't touch you. I got it.
Hey, yo.
You got it.
Yo, look at this nigga's waves, though.
Yeah, go ahead, Julio. Fix my shot.
Okay. Show your waves, boy. Boy, you ain't showing yours, boy.
Oh, this nigga wrenching on me.
Hey, yo.
Yo, he trying to fix you up something. You on this
Turning in
side.
my boats.
Chingy, put this on Instagram, bro.
Man, Banshee people not gonna like this.
Yeah, niggas is
What are you loosening? You're saying?
It's a new method. I'm definitely gonna need help to put my shit up because I'm gonna be there like this.
What are you doing to your tranny, too?
When I raced that Lemon,
My lemon or Julio's lemon?
that car.
Julio's?
Nah, nigga, the race I did, man, I fucked second up. So, I had to replace it.
Steven, when you vlogged Julio's car earlier, did you say the real reason of what happened?
Yeah, we explained that he hit a boat.
Yo, come on, son.
He explained it himself.
My man's going right back to the crash site with the new car. Talk about V3. One bill ends and another continues.
I think this is his fourth.
Nah,
Black?
That's
Nah.
crazy. No,
This is it's my fourth. No,
Because the
fifth
blue
one.
one you had in the beginning don't count.
Well, it's my fifth one.
Lipo 1, Julio 0.
Yo,
Yo.
that nigga Julio.
It's more like Julio 4, EG 0.
Yo.
Yeecha.
BMW.
Really?
My lord, that shit sounded crazy.
Victorios. I heard Julio trying to like the light. It's coming. So that was the night I won that race, right? I heard that nigga hit the pole because he didn't want to see niggas shine.
I just to go in and shine.
Yo, I pulled up to 130th waiting for
Oh,
niggas to be
shit.
like, yo, Julio Mac took. Yo, I ain't raced that night, nigga. I had a whole wad. Yo, we were splitting the fucking money on the highway.
Oh, shit.
Yo, dude.
Yo, nah, that's fucking
You know what else is funny? You wanna know what else Julio
I
did?
don't know, bro.
He saw you. He saw your car spank that nigga, so he got scared. So he's like, the only way I can get out of racing too is if I told him my shit. That's why he's taking long to put the swap in the new car.
Look at this.
Holy crap.
Little tiny bit.
Nah.
Relax.
See, that shit go right in there, boy.
Pick it up a little
Get
bit.
off the dolly, you heard?
Don't matter.
Nah, you good.
Pushing the oh, this nigga wilding. I gotta hold the car back.
Oh,
Try to see if I can.
lift it up. We can lift it up. Yeah. We can lift it up
Oh, you push it, Chingy.
a little bit. Here, Jordan, hold us. Hold us. I'm gonna pick up. You hold it, push it up. Ready?
1, 2. Ah, the oil thing.
The oil cap. Hold on.
Take it off.
The struggles.
Shit,
Got a big jack for nothing.
shit ain't as light as it seems, huh? 1, 2, 3. Oh,
Keep going, Chingy. Keep going. Yeah. Go back down. Throw my Stevens.
It's so fucking dark, but it's in there.
it says in there. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. We will start it up.
2 minutes to start it up? Yo, do one of these where you go like that,
It's on the chair.
and then it's just starting when you go like this.
Nah, man. All right, lighting is good. All right, Julio, bend over. Julio, bend over. 2, get the lube.
He just
He's bending over. He's bending over. Get the lube.
the hardware for this.
Get the lube. Light is good. Light is good. Lube ready. Action. Go. Julio, say your line. Say your line. Yo, what the fuck is going on? Yo, what?
Oh shit!
Nah, subscribe to the OnlyFans, $1 a month,
And up one after door.
bro. How many people did it take to put in a K in? 1, 2,
Count as 2.
3.
Push a little bit more.
Kick the bench, you start.
Right there, Chingy. Do it again, Chingy. One more. Gone.
Got YouTube, Steven. Everybody over there. Celebrity show.
Yo, put the wheel on.
What vibes?
We just finished up the swap. They're gonna hang out. I'm heading home because I don't know why I showed my feet. Like y'all gonna see my feet being cold, but my feet are frozen. Got a sweater on. It's cold. Car's like whatever. But I'm about to go home. Play some Warzone all night. Wifey not home. She's in Connecticut with her mom visiting her grandmother. So I'm gonna be lonely. I'm gonna be so lonely. Damn, who did put my chair so far back? Holy shit. Hey guys, so I'm heading home. Thank you guys again for watching. Fucking freezing. Thank you guys again for watching. Build to enjoy. And stay tuned for these cars, man. Oh shit, my camera. Yeah, fucked up again. Look at this. Hey guys, heading home. Yeah, thank you guys again for watching. That car should be out. I mean, I don't think it's gonna be out anytime soon, but you know, we get in there. And for Julio's car, that car's gonna be done super fast. But yeah, thank you guys again for everybody that has reached out to me, trying to help with getting Julio a car. We ended up finding a car pretty quick, same color and everything as you guys saw. So yeah, can't wait for that. Yeah, thank you guys again for watching. Build to enjoy. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, comment down below how fast you think Julio's car is gonna be done. Peace out, guys.